In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Monday.com account using a straightforward step-by-step method. You'll be guided on how to use Pro Backup to safeguard your important Monday.com data in just a few simple steps. Firstly, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Pro Backup's website at probackup.com. This is an essential tool that's built to help you protect and easily manage your data. Once you're on the site, you'll be greeted by various options that showcase its capabilities. What you want to do is look for the Try for Free button. Clicking this will give you access to their services at no initial cost, and it's a great way to understand the benefits before making any commitments. After you click to try the service for free, you'll see various products listed. Here, we want to focus on Monday.com, so go ahead and click on the Monday.com option from the list. This selection ensures that the backup process you set up will be specific to your Monday.com account, which is what we're targeting today. Once you've selected it, let's move along to the next button aptly named Next. This acts as a confirmation step that leads you deeper into the setup process. With the setup starting to take shape, it's time to create an account with Pro Backup if you haven't already done so. This requires entering some basic information, like your name and email address. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, click on the Sign Up button. This action initiates the account creation process and further ensures you are linked to the backup service. Shortly after signing up, keep an eye on your email inbox. Don't worry, as this is just a verification step. You'll receive an email containing a code which you need to enter on the Pro Backup site to proceed. It's a quick security measure to ensure all steps are cautiously linked to your specific account. Now, onto the critical part, you'll have the choice to select your workspace. Depending on the structure and your usage of Monday.com, select the workspace you wish to back up. This customization allows for tailored protection, focusing only on what's crucial to you. Having selected the right workspace, go ahead and click on the Install button to finalize the backup setup. There you have it, your important Monday.com data is now being backed up securely with Pro Backup. Following this process not only makes your data secure, but also offers peace of mind knowing you have a reliable backup to return to in case of unexpected issues. Be sure to explore Pro Backup's additional features as well, which can further enhance your data management experience. Thank you for watching and happy backing up!